Estelle.
We speak, but the words we say mean nothing. We smile, but the smiles we give are wanting. We look upon each other's eyes. No spark, no glow, no real signs. But we both know this is all for sure. Until that sometime, somewhere, we could show the world we have each other. Sometime, somewhere, we needn't hide our feelings. We just keep on believing that we both have the time together. Sometime, somewhere, our lips would be free at last to say the words we've heard to say, and we won't have to worry. We smile, we won't say sorry. One look and we have cast our fears just one place, but everywhere. Until that sometime, somewhere, we just have to be content with stealing answers. Somehow, content with saying nothing. Smiles that are always wanting. Though deep inside it hurts because we know. It's what we got. We just have to be content with stealing glances. Somehow, content with saying nothing. Smiles that are always wanting. So deep inside it hurts because we know.
this is one of a lifetime opportunity for me. And of course, I would like to thank Mr. Ryan Cayabia po. Thank you po for choosing me to sing this song, this wonderful, iconic song. Maraming salamat po. And of course, to the whole team po, the whole orchestra, this is my dream to perform po. Maraming salamat po sa pagtupad nito. At sa lahat po ng pumunta at nanood, maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal po namin kayong lahat. Again, Mr. C, maraming salamat po. Belated happy birthday po. Para sa inyo po ang gabing ito. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much po.
Nashock kayo? Ang galing. Ay, mabuti na lang. Sabi ni Celeste Rigaspi, ay, may secure na yung future ng Philippine